On his way to Tarshish, storm came. The sailors were frightened and they drew some lot. And it fell on Jonah. And they asked him, "What are you doing? Why is this storm caused? What happened?" And Jonah confessed to them. He said he was running from God. God gave him this order, something that he had to do. And he was fleeing from God. And then the sailors took him and they threw him overboard. And the Bible says that immediately the waters calmed down. Interesting enough, little detail that most people don't read. Before they threw him overboard, the Bible says that the sailors first tried to row back home. They tried to save him in their own strength, but didn't do it because you can't fight God when God is in a situation. So they threw him overboard. Immediately the sea went quiet. And then this big fish came that God sent, and the fish swallowed Jonah. He was inside the fish 3 days and 3 nights where he prayed, he confessed his sins, asked God for forgiveness. He also confessed that he's dependent on God. And God gave him mercy and told the fish to spat him out on the beach. Then he went to Nineveh.